NASA publishes an image of the Martian moon Phobos, showing it as a candy floating in space. NASA has released a multicolored image of Mars' moon, Phobos, which makes the moon closest to the red planet appear to be a candy floating in space. NASA's Mars Odyssey spacecraft has been orbiting Mars since its launch in 2001, sending amazing images to Earth, the latest of which shows the Mars moon Phobos, which is about 15 miles about 25 kilometers wide, passing through the natural moon cycle, just like our moon, including the increasing crescent, the waning hump, and the phase of the full moon. Photo 1. Using the THEMIS instrument on board the spacecraft, NASA was able to measure the temperature of Phobos with less sunlight reaching the moon as it begins to hide behind Mars. For example, when sunlight reflects off the side near the moon, it is called a full moon. During the rest of the month, we see parts of the daytime side of the moon, or its phases. The phases of the moon include the following 8 phases, in order, which are, the new moon, the increasing crescent, the first incremental quadrature, the incremental hump, the full moon, the waning convex, the declining quadrature, and the waning crescent. The same process occurs on Phobos, and the low temperature and glare reach the moon when it is in hiding, enabling multicolored images of the Martian moon. These views were captured by the Mars Odyssey spacecraft, NASA said. Photo 2. The sixth moon of Mars, Phobos. The orbiting spacecraft's infrared camera, THEMIS, is used to measure temperature changes that provide insight into the physical properties and composition of the moon. On February 25, 2020, Phobos was seen during a lunar eclipse, as Mars' shadow completely blocked sunlight from reaching the surface of the moon. This provided some of the coldest temperatures that have been measured on Phobos so far. The coldest temperature measured was around, NASA added, 189 degrees Fahrenheit negative 123 degrees Celsius. On March 27, 2020, Phobos was seen emerging from the eclipse, when the surface was still warm. And the agency continued, all the infrared images of THEMIS are colored and overlapped on the visual THEMIS images captured at the same time, except for the image of the eclipse, which is superimposed on a computer-generated visual image of what Phobos would have looked like if the full shadow was not present. Source: Express.